styles.
Oh, you're right. There are two styles. I'm gonna go like this.
Hello and welcome to another vlog. I'm really excited about today because I'm going to this event that I found on the Capital One Venture card. I don't know, they have, you know how you go onto your credit cards and they have like these different entertainment things that you can purchase. So one of my interior design inspirations, Athena Calderone, she's Eyeswoon on Instagram. She just opened her new studio and it looks so stunning. And I was like, wait, we are going, I'm pretty sure we're going to her new studio for this event. I'm pulling out all the stops. I got a new outfit, of course. Like, when you meet your heroes, you just go crazy. I did like a really curly look today. But anyway, I'm gonna show you my outfit. I need to go. Am I confident enough to bring my vlog camera? I don't know. I might just bring her and then I might just default to my phone, but who knows, I'm gonna try. But anyway, I did my makeup. These earrings, these are from Zara. Then let me show you the rest of the fit. So I have this like navy set. It's not a set, it's two different pieces. These are both from Aritzia, but I did like this little short set moment. And then my little YSL sandals that I just got for my birthday. My earrings, usual rings. I'm just keeping it bare on the neckline. But yeah, I thought this was super cute and I'm so excited. Okay, let's go.
Something that means the world to me, and I've been wanting to do workshops like this forever, and I've now finally have the physical space where I can do it. And the way that I approach design is not so dissimilar how I approach cooking. Like, I love to juxtapose materials in the same way I like to juxtapose flavors. I like different, like something with a patina with, you know, glass or metal, and I like to, you know, to kind of fuse together that like rustic with something that's a little glam. And also the way I love composition when I'm like plating food, kind of, I also have a similar approach to how I like to set a table. And I guess I'm sharing all of this because food and design, like people ask me all the time, like what came first, your love of food or your love of design? And for me, I can't choose between the two, so I choose between your children. It's really the home, and it's like the hub of the home and everything that that embodies, whether it's the meal that you make or how you gather around the table or how you kind of create ceremony around the table. Like, I really find that the ritual of setting the table is something that just like fills me up so much. And then gathering with people, and whether that's your family or whether that's each of you, like I just think that, I don't know, there's something about being around the table that just like makes me, and I think everybody, feel at ease and comfortable. Hands-on elements. We're gonna play with some herb bundles. We're going to melt some wax stamps, and then I'm gonna kind of use these shorter ones almost, because this is like a low open mouth vessel. Part of where I got inspired from this is from a photo shoot that I saw that Roman and Williams did. And they just had like a white vase filled with artichokes that just came from the supermarket. So not a white vase, like clear, like cylinder vase, glass. So you just saw the artichokes in the base and then branches on top. So even if you can't find like branches like this, which I realize are rare, I think that there's still a way to kind of lean into using, you know, fruit and veg. I'm not exactly sure what these are called, but I think like adding different texture is like such a nice, when you're building an arrangement, just like having varied texture just fills in those gaps in a really beautiful way. And then you, yeah, sometimes, or you can use tape, you can use like floral tape to create a grid.
Yeah, but with this, it's just like black.
Yeah. I think before I start to build everything else, like, and fill in some of the gaps, I want to kind of set the table. That I ended up buying glass brick. Which I realize not everyone has, but I honestly do believe like you could still do this using regular brick, and I think that it's just like a fun, I don't know, I like to use utilitarian materials in like unexpected ways. But anyway, we went a little more glam, and I was just thinking that I have these candlesticks.
Quality glass block.
QualityGlassBlock.com. Not sponsored. Oh yeah, actually yeah.
Into the studio.
Thank you. But yeah, we use glass block and use amber color, so this was just like leaning into a theme as well. Thank you. I feel like something needs to like be in here to connect that. So that we didn't do because we wanted you each to have, you know, your own. But you can actually, when you order the wax kits, you can also like get your initials or your family initials. Like these just are flat on the bottom, but you can get them with your initials, and then you can like have these custom wax stamps. It kind of feels like old school and like such a thoughtful and simple. I like white. Isn't it white? I know, it's usually red. And then there's also more twine if you want. We thought it would be really easy to wrap more twine or wax twine. But if you use some of your twine, we can give you more, or you can eliminate that. Your choice. I would love to.
I'm going into like
Go in, girl. Let's do it.
I got you. You're ready.
So I'm really excited to be here with Athena from Eyeswoon. So happy that she's going to be a part of my blog as well. So I wanted to ask you a question. As you've gone through different spaces and lived in different areas, what is one thing or one theme that you've held on to as you've come into new
spaces? Ooh, that's such a good question, because I do feel like with every home I push and challenge myself to lean into a different style, but I think that I always carry through like those same tenets of like making sure things feel really tactile and textural, and always have like a mix of varied style furniture. Like I never want to like just have one period. Like I never want it all to be like Italian 70s or like French 50s. Like I think that anything that like your heart goes pitter patter for like deserves to be in your home. And even if somebody might be like, oh, that doesn't go, like if it works for you, it goes. So I think just like make your space feel personal and make your space feel collected. You know, every time I travel, I bring something home with me, and like I feel like my homes feel intimate because they're all like a little piece of my story with my family, and they hold memories. So I think that's something I bring through with all of my spaces.
I love that. Thank you so much for sharing that. I've also seen that through all of the stories that you shared and different types of content that you shared on your different spaces. So that's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. It was so good to meet you.
Yeah, so good to meet you as well.
That was fun.